extra weird. Like,
that's your job while I'm getting that cat. It's a video.
But the crazy thing is too, like, she was trying to bring him to the car and he was freaking out, like, not wanting to go. And I said, see, look, like, he's doing it with you too. He doesn't like. And I was like, I'm not about to persuade this woman to give me this stupid cat. Like, if she don't give it to my mom, she gonna have some problems. It's just here. I'm not doing this with her. Like, I really was. Yeah.
Rubbing the cat and everything.
She was rubbing it.
It's like,
It's okay. I wouldn't mind keeping him for about a couple hours. The cat walked inside. She walked inside. Was like, okay.
And slammed the door.
Right.
I'm not giving you to those Negro.
Maybe she tongues the cat up when you guys leave, and she looks really like she needs a man or something.
Ew. She looked like she need a man.
She probably holding the cat right now.
I know, like
saying, I'm just not gonna let them take you. When you came, it was a bond.
Stay right here.
Well, the lady said that her mom, she goes, yeah, it was just like my daughter loves cats, so they were shooing it next door, and she said, what is that? And she saw the cat, and she was like, oh, come here, cat. This whole story, and the girl's name is Cat.
That's why she's a freaking weirdo.
Maybe she runs with the cats at night. I'm trying to think, what is she? He said she has to.
That's only right for her to just live up to her name.
Her mama messed up naming her.
Not like him, he just went along talking about she has to. It just has to happen. Yeah, she sounds. I can't wait to go over there. This is gonna be exciting. I'm so excited about meeting this girl.
I'm not. She was getting on my nerves. I did not have the patience. I said, no, ma'am. You know.
I like
she was standing
weird
there
stuff
staring
like
at me like,
oh, this
not your cat. Like,
oh, she went. Did she put a collar on it and everything?
No.
She said, just leave.
Basically, after she was looking, she was like, yeah, you know, maybe she's more attached to somebody else because.
Oh.
I
She
said,
was just waiting for us to say, you can keep him.
I know.
I was just sitting there waiting like, I want to keep him so bad. Say it's not your cat, it's not your cat.
Was Milo acting the same?
He was just like, he was being, you know, Milo. He like was, the only thing was he does not like the car, so he was not.
No, I mean, was he acting like Milo? Like he has.
I guess, but like, he just was acting like, you know, he'd
Like-
been in the wilderness for 2 months.
His eyes look different, like he's like really confused.
And you know, he doesn't really scratch or anything. He didn't scratch me, but he was like trying to jump out of my hand and doing the most when I was trying to put him in a car.
Yeah.
And
I
he,
was
like,
shocked
went
you
to
couldn't
me.
get him out the car. I mean, in the car, because he's usually real humble.
He went to me. He just was freaked out about getting in the car, but he might just be freaked. Like, you know,
When you
cats
called his
don't
name,
like
did he
cars.
come?
Yeah, but then after I called him and was trying to get him in the car, he was not coming. And he turned around and went back in that
He's
lady
probably
house.
scared he's going to be in the wild again.
That's what.
I mean, after be running the streets for 2 months with no food. you
Yeah,
know?
but she was not trying to get. And she like before we even came to the door, she was like outside.
Oh, wow.
Like she
We
opened.
looking at the house, I'm like, somebody upstairs. Like, I seen like all
You
the
saw her
windows,
looking
like,
through the
yeah.
windows upstairs?
Before we got out the car, she came out with the cat. Oh, you here for the cat? Oh, you gotta be.
She was like, I hope it's your cat.
She said that?
Yes, she's weird. I swear.
I can't wait to get to this. This is gonna be interesting, y'all. Stay tuned
This
for
is
the
the mom.
for the cat lady.
This is the mom that's supposed to have the cat.
Yeah,
supposed
stay
to
tuned to
be.
watch this cat lady
Your
that's
cat, huh?
that's obsessed with our lost cat.
She's so weird. She's weird. I don't like her. She was making me so mad because she was
She
like,
said my daughter like she's a child. She's not a child?
no, she a big old grown 30-year-old looking woman. Does she not look 30?
Wow. Maybe the lady works for downtown.
She's not like young.
Wow. Maybe she's slow and she gets attached to things quickly.
She loves his cats.
Oh, she loves
I wonder does she work?
She
I hope
don't
they
look
don't see
like
this
it.
video.
How they come? They looking up Loudegange. They're weird. I don't know.
They look like they're gonna be searching the cats ads, not us, huh?
Milo. This is really weird. She was like, yeah, I mean, like, I tried to call him Milo. He didn't really, you know.
Oh, she did.
She pulled all the tricks out the bag.
She did. She was really trying to act like she just,
She left the door open. She opened the door.
Oh yeah, no, she left
right
the
back
door
in the
open too for the cat to. Then she was like hovering over Milo, and I like put like he jumped down, like she was being, and then like when we were leaving, like he said,
She straight opened the door. She's, I wouldn't mind keeping him here for a couple hours. Come on, Milo.
for a few
All right,
more
y'all.
years.
So we're gonna see what's up. We're gonna be there in a little bit. Stay tuned.
Recording this thing, man.
Oh, this poor man. You better give him some money.
I got a dollar.
Let's send him in the. You need a ride? My friend said you can ride with him back here.
Oh, I was
What
trying
a
to
lot,
get
Let's see how nice you are to
I was gonna give him some
bums.
money, but you already.
Y'all, shoot. You didn't let him. You didn't let me test.
Than me.
You didn't let me test
He
his
is
bum
not-
skills
he is not
out
a
to
bum.
see if he was gonna give
He is
some
not
money
a
to this
bum.
man.
He has better jeans than me.
He
Did you
is
see his jeans?
fully
He
clothed.
had on a soccer jersey.
He had a soccer
Like
jersey.
$50.
Those are like $50. He's
That poor
lying.
man, somebody must have drove by and handed it to him. Don't
Bruh.
be underestimating judging this brother.
You know
by
what?
his-
But he be down
His
by
gear.
this racetrack over
Homeboy
here.
don't got an arm. Y'all ain't about crap.
No, I'm telling you right now. He be in front of the gas station. I saw about 5 people pull up and give him food.
That
money.
ain't gonna get his arm back. They can give him $50
And he
million.
be shaking the arm on purpose. trying to
Good.
make-
That he got his game down. You need one.
Ah, hey,
That house came off Monsters Inc.
no, Monsters House, you know? The one that comes alive?
Uh-huh.
That Troy be watching, that's his favorite movie. Yeah, it looks
It
like
can't
that.
be that bad, y'all.
No, it is.
Y'all talking about this.
We thought a
poor woman
serial
house.
killer was. I pulled up and I said, I don't know about this.
Like everything.
Y'all rude.
House
Let me
is
see.
dark, no lights on.
No lights were
We
on.
about to
Sis
go
was
pick
sitting.
this cat
Mold
up.
on the window.
Milo, our
No, there
baby.
is mold on the windows.
Are you
for sure.
serious?
That's how you
This
know.
lady act like
There's
they,
nothing alive.
but she works for the state, so I don't understand how it's come down with mold. Oh shoot, I shouldn't have said I gotta take that out the video.
This is it right here.
That house don't look like that bad. It don't look
It
scary.
does look.
Oh, I see mold on the windows.
Look, and then look at the
It looks
side.
condemned.
I'm surprised sis ain't come outside here.
He said,
Oh, she coming.
Steph, you gotta like video for him once you pull up.
Well, maybe
Video
she
is-
look. She said she ain't coming outside this time. She said y'all gonna have to work for this cat.
She said her car was somewhere. Well, she's conveniently being gone.
Oh, she's a psycho. She might be. She said she told us what time you coming. I said like 5 o'clock. She said, "Oh, okay, cool." I don't see her though.
Oh shoot! Did she leave and took mine? There's 2 packages on their porch.
Like she left.
She appeared with Milo in her arms. This is weird. You better video this crap. This is
Should I
gonna
get
be
out?
good.
Should I get out?
Yes, everybody get out.
I know. She wanted to record the reunion. Oh.
I really appreciate it. What's your name, Kat?
Aw.
Yeah, because I heard he hates the car.
He died.
My daughter told me because it's actually her cat from high school. I mean, from Fishing and Little. And she used to, she got him when he was a baby. And he used to be running, he found him, he stayed like in the rain, my oldest. And so, anyway, he always been scared of the car.
Yeah.
But thank you, Kat.
Bye.
Milo is so skinny. Milo.
He went good in
Milo.
the carrier at least.
Milo, where have you been? Milo, you know my voice. Come on, let's go. Turn this high. Before she run out here and zap us with the freaking witch hazel.
Doesn't she look crazy?
does.
She looks
That was a bizarre situation right there. That she appeared in the window with the cat.
I told you.
She just walked over.
She just walked over. Yeah, I knew it was
Milo.
She's probably mad as
Where
crap
you
you
been?
came.
Well, that's why she left so quick.
I know, she
That
was
was
mad.
so weird.
She was mad. She said, you know what? I'm over it now.
So we got the cat, y'all. It was crazy. Like, they weren't lying. The girl was kind of bizarre, but she did give up the cat. She knew not to play with me. I just got that look. You know, y'all ain't never gonna play with me when you see me on site. I just got that look like, you know, we here to take care of business, so deliver the goods. So we didn't have no problems, you know. The little girl came out. She was sweet. I appreciate you. If
She
you
was
watch
not
this
no
video.
little girl.
She didn't look old. Her teeth were a little shabby, but she didn't look like.
She
You guys
looked
made her
like an
seem
old
like she
lady.
was witch hazel in a bag.
She looked like her to me. I
Yeah, that
know.
was creepy. I had to put the camera down. I was so freaked out.
I told you.
I thought she was about to
be
do
watching.
something crazy.
She be watching like a freak.
She was so crazy with that. She came to the window like, she said, I was like, that's okay. I was like, girl, just give me the freaking cat.
Girl, just give me the freaking cat.
So I had to like,
Weird.
yeah.
But she looked at me like
Milo
I was
is
not.
so skinny. Milo, you ain't even been eating nothing, huh?
What if this was Milo?
This is, you so stupid. Oh my gosh. You can tell it's Milo, you
I
retarded.
know. It does look like my
He's so
Milo.
skinny though. That's the thing.
She gave us the wrong one.
She traded him out.
No, Milo's real timid. Milo, where have you been? Poor little buddy. Poor little Milo.
No, I haven't. I want to see it.
Milo know my freaking voice, so he knew Milo, you're going home. Max is gonna love you.
Yeah, Max be chasing him like a weirdo.
Max was looking
That's
for
probably
you
why
for
my
days. All right, y'all. So, y'all, we about to get off this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our vlog. And we do this every day. We do this every day.
Period.
Every day, every day. We do this every day. We do this every day. We do this every day, day.
Al, you just scratched me with
Sorry,
your
Wayne.
witch nail.
See, Maurice was boogieing to my song.